After this week's free Fusion 360 tutorial from the maker letters, you will know how to create a rectangular pattern in Fusion 360. We'll set up a rectangular pattern on a bridge in water, but the function is helpful in several Fusion 360 situations. You won't be a competent CAD designer without knowledge of patterns. Hit Create in the upper left corner and go down to Patterns. In this video, you will engage in rectangular patterns. The next menu will allow you to change pattern type if you regret your decision. Pay attention to the part that says either axis, axis, or path, depending on pattern type. Select Object Type under Object. In this tutorial we have bodies. For an actual bridge I would use components, but bridge construction is not covered in this video. Notice how our selection changes when you switch from bodies to faces. As for axis, select a line in your desired direction. You have got various choices here. The green Y-axis is a good choice. Now, pay consideration to this rectangular pattern menu. You go with one axis in this example, but we can work with several. In your axis, you can work with one or two symmetric directions. You can distribute your desired number of bodies with either spacing or set the total extent. You can drag the bodies or type the distance. When you're happy, press OK. That's how easy it is to work with patterns. Let's learn together. Comment below with your questions and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on free training that will help you become a better CAD designer. Thank you.